Welcome to today's edition of the OpEx Minute, presented by EMS Consulting Group. Today we will be talking about the lean concept of cells. Whether we are talking about cellular manufacturing or office work cells, the cell concept is important to operational excellence. So what is it all about? A cell is an arrangement of people, machines, materials, and methods with the processing steps placed right next to each other in sequential order through which work is processed using continuous flow or one-piece flow, or alternatively, FIFO flow with a small amount of standard work in process in between steps. The thinking behind the creation of the cell concept was that much waste can be avoided by moving from a functional or departmental style layout to a cellular approach. Let's show you how. In a functional or departmental layout, the work flows from one department to another in large batches. This creates overproduction, excess inventory, more transportation than necessary, defects being detected later in the process and affecting more units of work, and other wastes. Using a cellular approach, we have reduced work in progress with shorter distance traveled and smaller batches, reduced defects with immediate feedback, and a product-focused team environment to meet customer demands. The same cellular approach we use regularly in manufacturing environments can be translated to the office environment. Having cross-functional teams work in cells reduces the same types of waste. While true one-by-one or continuous flow production is not typically possible in an office environment between stations in an office cell, we can use FIFO, or first in, first out flow, where work can be managed visually. If you have an interest in learning more about cellular manufacturing and work cells, visit our website at www.emsstrategies.com and contact us. We would be happy to help.